Picture this. It's your big moment. Maybe you're about to go for an interview, ask someone out, or apply for that promotion. And right before you take that step, your brain hits you with, but what if I fail? And just like that, you're back to scrolling, telling yourself you'll do it tomorrow. Sound familiar? You're not alone. And by the end of this video, I'll share Michael Jordan's secret trick that can help shut that fear down. Let's be real. This isn't laziness. Your brain's just outdated. It's not that you don't care. It's that fear shows up the loudest right before something important. That voice in your head isn't trying to hurt you. It's trying to protect you. The problem is your brain still reacts to discomfort like it's danger. Like being on stage feels as serious as wrestling a tiger. We make failure seem way worse than it is. We imagine everything falling apart, but usually the worst part is just feeling a bit awkward or unsure. And we've all gotten through that before. What makes it harder is how we think about failure. We treat it like proof that we're not good enough, but that's not true. The people we look up to, they've failed more times than we've even tried. The only difference is they didn't let it stop them. So how do we stop fear from calling the shots? Step 1, talk to your future self. If you're confused, just hold on. Next time fear kicks in, picture your ideal, perfect self 6 months from now. Ask them, will I be glad I tried this? That version of you knows. Trust them more than the fear. WP. 2, the 2% rule. Forget being perfect. Just aim to be 2% better than yesterday. If you did nothing yesterday, and today you write a little or walk for 5 minutes, that's a win. Small steps build real progress, and over time, your brain learns that failure isn't that scary. And here is the secret trick Michael Jordan said, I've failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. He used failure as data. Every step backwards was 2 steps forward. Every slip he jumped back up. So here's your move. Pick one thing you've been avoiding and give yourself permission to fail at it today. Out loud say, I'm going to try this, and it's okay if I fail. You might surprise yourself. If this helped, drop a comment with what you're giving yourself permission to fail at this week. Let's normalize trying. And if you're done letting fear control you, hit subscribe. We're here for progress, not